SRS Packaging Company Limited was established in 2011, located in Zhejiang Province, China. We supply customized cosmetic packaging solution. SRS Packaging is specialized in manufacturing roll-on bottle, plastic jar. Our founder has a specialist team with 15 years experience for roll-on bottle. High quality, customized design, sincere service. Our goal is to be a world brand of the roller bottle with high quality. We always adhere to the belief of credibility is the base, and customers are the first. A team of experienced technicians and skilled workers, with an annual output of 50 million roll-on bottles, and an effective management system guaranteed to offer customers high-quality products and good services. Our roller bottle can be guaranteed without leakage. It is very popular in skincare, cosmetic industry. We also supply plastic jar, airless bottle, deodorant stick container. Can provide complete services, such as design, mold development, injection, hot stamping, painting, printing and assembly. Our company is one of the qualified manufacturers with advanced technology and complete range of products. Can produce as per client's designs and samples. Elegant pattern and perfect sealing capability. Relying on advanced technology and strict quality management system, we have ISO 9001 certificate. 80% products are well being exported to US market, European market, Middle East market, Japan, Korea and Thailand markets. Welcome to visit our company and cooperate with us.